everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my cooking channel TabuTinku Foodies. Today we are going to make a veggie loaded pizza from scratch, that too without yeast or oven. And if you think making pizza at home is not that easy, this video will definitely surprise you. It's easy, cost effective and tastes as great as your favorite restaurant pizza. The crust is soft from inside and crispy from outside, which gives those cheese fortified veggies an ideal base. And my super quick tomato sauce makes this pizza a perfect meal for your movie nights. So let's get started. So first we'll prepare the pizza dough. We'll keep the dough for rest till we prepare the sauce and toppings. Make sure not to overcook these veggies because we are going to cook them again along with the pizza. I am adding mixed Italian herbs here. You can add whatever herbs that are available to you. And the tomato sauce and veggies are ready. The base shouldn't be too thick or too thin, it should be somewhere in the middle. Make sure you are cooking the pizza base on low heat and don't forget to turn it off once you start assembling the pizza. Feel free to choose your favorite toppings. You can add or remove veggies as per your choice. and the pizza is ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try this homemade pizza and let me know what your favorite toppings are in the comment section below. And if you like watching my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out more easy and delicious recipes from TabuTinku Foodies. Till then, happy eating. I'll see you next time.